What is up? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, whatever it is that you're watching this. Appreciate you stopping by watching the channel. Welcome back to the subscribers and what up to the new viewers. In this video I wanted to do a draw with me style recording of me just going in on the sketchbook and freestyling a couple drawings. On one side I just went straight in with ink. No line work prior, just let my mind just do whatever. And usually by default my mind usually just does weird monsters, ugly ass faces, and just like flowers sometimes. It really depends. Even a duck, I guess. It could get really weird, especially because I have to be very conscious of the lines I create when I'm creating art like this. I barely ever do this. I always go with a pencil first just because I get to have more control of, making errors and stuff, and that's what the eraser's for, and it just gives me more freedom to add on to a character more, as opposed to, this right here, it's in the moment, just create whatever, no matter what it comes out to be. But I wanted to show y'all that no matter what I drew, y'all were gonna see this is how I tackle my sketchbook drawing. Sometimes if I have no idea, I just let the mind do what I do, because sometimes you just gotta push yourself to do what it is that you're trying to get better at, whether it's art, whether it's music, writing, whatever it is. Even if you don't have a set plan, just make some time to do it every day. And that's pretty much this drawing right here, just filling in the lines, making them a little bit more sexier, as Gox likes to say, his sexy lines. So that's what I'm doing here. And this video is me just how I tackle art on a day-to-day basis. It's just like in chunks. And I gotta have that coffee, man. Actually, I got some right here while I'm watching myself drink coffee. Let me drink some coffee real quick. But here you can see I'm having the pencil, the mechanical blue pencil right here. Dang, I just realized I was wearing blue and I had a mechanical pencil. But as you can see here, you can see my face. Just like, I don't know if you guys ever notice when artists be making art, they be doing weird shit with their face, like they kind of illustrate the face that they're drawing. Or me personally, I just be like licking my lips a lot. I've been doing that ever since I've been drawing. People like my sister or just anybody who sees me drawing, like, your tongue's sticking out. I'm like, so this helps me concentrate. It's just like one of those weird artist habits, I guess. But here you saw the pencil sketch of the drawings I did. Had a little bit more time to think and really elaborate on the idea. Not that I did too much different things once I added the line work, but with faces I feel like I have more trouble drawing just straight out of using a marker or a pen or whatever. But let me know in the comment section which ones y'all prefer. Do you have a sketch prior to drawing? Do you like to freestyle shit and just straight up line work right away? I need that pencil, man, and that eraser, because I feel like I'm more likely to make mistakes if I just go in with a freaking pen. But I've seen some artists who can do stuff like that straight off the bat with a marker, a pen, or a paintbrush even, and they just create masterpieces just in the moment, and I have huge respect for that, because that's crazy. But nah, man, I need my sketches beforehand. I think a majority of artists be doing that, but yeah, I think this process, or just the way I do these sketchbooks, just eliminates the having to use a reference. And as you can see here, I finished them up. Both line works are finished. Oh yeah. Let me know which page you like better, the one that had a sketch prior, the one that didn't. But here we're gonna get to the coloring. Hell yeah. Cause who don't like the little, whoa, what the? Alright, we interrupt this brief message to show that there is a fucking spider. Whoa, freaking glare. There is a spider in my notebook, bro. Why, bro? I'm just trying to finish this video, bro. Why do you gotta be here, bro? Bro, honestly, I think he just wants to be in the video, bro. That's why he's over there, bro. He's hiding, bro. He wants to be in the video. Bro, if he didn't want to be in the video, you could have just told me, bro. I don't know if y'all saw that, but that thing was fucking crawling fast as hell. I got his ass though. Yep. Poor bastard fools. So damn, RIP that Spider-Man. I didn't really know what to do with him. I know his ass was gonna die outside and freeze, but he was not staying inside here in my place, that's for sure. Having babies and shit running all over the place, hell no. Like, I love spiders and shit, they're cool. Like, I usually never kill them and just put them out, but since it's winter, my bad, boy. But I think he died even before I threw his ass out. I don't even know, I think he got scared to death. But anyways, RIP the spider. Anyways, so back to this drawing right here. Right now I'm just using these Adler watercolor brush pens, not sponsored. And I used a brush and I dipped it in some water to really spread the colors out, so it gives you like a cool watercolor feel. And it's not so in your face, the colors are so like in your face. I just wanted these to be a little more soothing to the eyes, you know, not something crazy and like in your face and like the shadows especially. So I don't know, I just want to try something different and just see how it would look. And I'm surprised the paper actually worked, but the type of paper this notebook has is a mixed media, so it says it's watercolor and other stuff, so I figured it'd be okay, and it turned out to be okay, so it's all good. But it's honestly pretty cool. I think I'm gonna do this more with my drawings as I fill up this sketchbook even more. I honestly think this sketchbook is gonna be so fucking awesome when it's done. I'm just super inspired by like different shit right now that I just need to get better at actually putting it out and putting it on paper. And the sketchbook around canvas, man, that's really what I'm trying to work on this year. And moving forward, just pushing out more content, putting more stuff up on my website, which will be in the link below, and doing other things that I got in store. So that's pretty much it. I appreciate y'all stopping by again, checking out the video. Let me know any thoughts of how you create, and there are new ideas or techniques that I should give a try, man. Things that you want to see in this channel. So I'm trying to switch it up a little bit. Next video might be a different one. I don't know, I think I might do another different one. Might save the painting one for a couple videos down, but I'm gonna try to be more consistent with the recording. So make sure to subscribe if you're interested in future art videos by yours truly. But anyways, wrapping up this video, let me know in the comments again which one you like better after it's been colored. Definitely looks way cooler when they're colored, that's for sure. This is the first page, and I actually like this first page more than I thought when I first finished it without the color. But the color really made it look way cooler and more legit, because the first off, the drawings were just not my favorite, but the second one is definitely my favorite because I had more time to think it out. But hell yeah, let me know what y'all think. Appreciate y'all stopping by. Much peace and love. Appreciate y'all once again. Till next time, keep creating. Peace and love, keep it trill, and I'm out.